Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about these Visa debit gift cards, and more specifically, we're going to see if we can add a debit gift card into our Amazon app as a payment method. So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, if you're not familiar with debit gift cards, basically what they are is you can usually buy these at a local retailer, and then once you buy them and load money onto them, you can usually use it wherever debit Visa is accepted, but also sometimes they're called reward cards. So this is what I got. Basically with this one, what happened was I was at the optometrist and they had a special running. If I bought a certain pair of glasses, then they would rebate $50 back to me via gift card. So I got this debit Visa gift card in the mail, but can you add it into your Amazon app? That's what we're going to find out. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this app right here. This is my Amazon app. It's white, has a blue shopping cart on it. I'm going to open it now. All right, I went ahead and opened the app, and this is the home screen. So here on the home screen, you can go ahead and start searching for things to buy. You can see a couple of different advertisements that are running on Amazon, but we're not going to worry about that. If you want to try to add your Visa debit gift card into your Amazon app, you want to click this button right here on the top left. It's these three little lines. Once you click there, then a drop-down menu is going to happen. I'm going to click there now. All right, so I went ahead and clicked there, and then here on this drop-down, you can go ahead and check on your orders that you've made with Amazon. You can also easily order again something that you've ordered on Amazon previously. But if you want to try to add a Visa debit gift card into your Amazon app, you want to click right here on your account. It looks like it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines down from the top. I'm going to click there now. All right, I went ahead and clicked there, and then here in this screen, you can see a lot of different tiles. So here's the orders tile, the account settings tile, but you want to go ahead and keep scrolling down until you see Amazon Wallet right here. This is where you can make changes to the payment options that you have set up with your Amazon. So what you want to do is go ahead and click on this one called Manage Payment Options. I'm going to click there now. All right, so I went ahead and clicked there, and then this screen pops up. So here at the top, you can see your purchase preference. So that's going to include your shipping address along with the preferred credit card that you use for your Amazon purchases. But if you want to try to add a debit Visa gift card into your Amazon app, you want to scroll all the way to the bottom. I'm going to go ahead and scroll down now. All right, so I went ahead and scrolled down, and then what you want to look for is this little line right here. It's called Add a Payment Method. It has a little arrow to the right of it. That's where you can go ahead and add different payment methods. I'm going to click there now. All right, next the screen pops up, and they're asking for the name that's on the card along with the full 16-digit debit Visa gift card and expiration date. So I'm going to go ahead and enter that information in off screen now. All right, so I went ahead and entered in all of the required information. Next, you can choose if you want to set this as your default payment method. I actually don't want to use this as the default payment method, so I'm going to go ahead and just click this yellow button right here called Add Your Card. I'm going to click there now. All right, next the screen pops up, and they're asking me to choose a billing address that's associated with my debit Visa gift card. I'm actually not sure which address you're supposed to use, so I'm going to go ahead and just use the mailing address that I received this at, and hopefully whoever sent me this debit Visa gift card use that as the registered address. So I'm going to go ahead and choose that address and click continue now. All right, so I went ahead and clicked there, and then this screen popped back up again. And if you look here under manage payment options, it says the payment method has been added. So it looks like, yes, you can use a Visa debit gift card on the Amazon app to buy things with as a payment method. If you were not able to add your gift card into Amazon for some reason, be sure to leave a comment below, let the rest of us know why that might be. But as far as I can see, it looks like it shouldn't be an issue. So hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, and I hope to see you on the next one. Thanks again for watching.